morning, students. Today we are going to start with our subject computer of class first. Open your chapter number 6, Drawing for Children. Drawing for Children is a fun program in which you can draw and color pictures. So you can download this software from internet, Drawing for Children, and install in your computer. So let's start with this program. To start this program, click on a start button, go to all program and select Drawing for Children software. The main screen will appear like this. So what are the different parts of Drawing for Children software? Yes? Anybody can answer? Okay. So first one is we have a title bar having a name of software and the 3 buttons to minimize, maximize and to close Drawing for Children software. Here we have a different tools. We can use a color by using this option, drawing color option. So let's explore about these all one by one. Number 1, selecting a color. To select the color you like, click the required color in the color box. So from here you can choose the color which you want to set for the drawing color. For example, the blue color. So select that color which you want to use for drawing. Next we have font tool. Font tool is basically used when you have selected the typing option. On the computer you can select a style for the words you type. This style is called font. The font tool in a drawing for the children is used to make the change in font, font style, font size and the color. So click on font button at the top and you will find the different font options like font style, font size and font color options. Next is sketch line tool. Let us now begin the drawing lines. The sketch line tool is used to draw the different lines and shapes such as star, grass, bubbles, etc. These steps are, first of all, click on the sketch lines tool. Select a pen or a brush or this spray. Select a pen, pencil, color pen, brush, spray. Any of them you can select or click on hand pointing tool to get the line and shape such as a star, grass and bubble. So you can select like this one option. So here you can use a mouse to use any option to draw freehand with your hand. This option is like to draw a pencil line. This option is used to draw a brush type. You can choose the color anytime from here and use a spray. Hold your mouse for thickness to increase the thickness in a spray and you can draw anything with the help of spray. So you can use this spray option. Similarly, you can use these options from here by clicking on next option. You can select the next options. For example, I select this tool, brush tool, and then by clicking on this you can select any type of option, for example star, so you can draw the star. If you want to draw in a sequence, so you can draw a star you can draw a flower. So anything you want to print on your document, you can print it. So here you can create a row type structure by clicking on this button. So you can move further. So here we have a railway track. So similarly, you can use the another options to draw anything on your sheet. This is for tree. You can choose any color and then you can draw anything. So you can select any other color. So here we have with that selected color. So this is about sketch line tool. Next is you can use the different lines. So you can draw as the pictures given on your book. Next is draw shape. You can draw the shape tool to draw the simple shapes such as line, arrow, circle and rectangles. So you need to click on draw shape options. First clear this. Next is select draw shape from the menu option. Here we have all the different shapes. Select anyone. You can select other colors and draw the shape on your drawing sheet. So this one is for 3D. So you can select any type of a shape and draw it in your drawing tool. Next is draw text tool. Drawing for the children lets you to write in a drawing area. So for this you need to select draw text tool option. Select a new file or a new picture. Click on a draw text tool option. Here we have a different types of a text option. Select. Place your cursor on your screen and type like. Select any other. To change the color of your text, you need to change the color from here. So in this way, you can draw any other shape also. So you can draw the text in your screen and press escape button to exit from drawing tool. Next is draw stamp tool. This tool is used to add the numbers of image like animals, flowers, etc. on your drawing tool. So click on drawing stamp tool, select a new picture, select on draw stamps, select anything which you want to draw, for example fish. Okay, here we have a different pictures under the C category. So you can select and draw. Next is draw clip art tool. Next is draw clip art tool. Select it and select which things you want to draw, like animals, elephant, so you can select any picture from here like the kangaroos. So you can change the category to find some other things like a car. So you can draw any shape by using draw clip art tool. If you don't wish to draw the entire figure, you can add the picture to your drawing area. So this we can use with the help of clip art tool. Next we have draw background tool. If you want to change the background of your picture, so you can use this option, draw background. So here we have a different types of a background, so which you can select, okay, and then you can also use any picture as your background picture, and then draw the new things over these backgrounds. On here you can draw different shapes, like here we can draw the airplane, here we can draw the helicopter. So you can use these background to draw a different pictures on your drawing sheet. Next is draw special things. If you want to draw something special, then you can use this tool as a draw special things option. Here we have a new things, like this is like a rangoli. You can change the color and apply it. Everything is changed every time. Next is special effect tool. You can use this option as a special effect tool. Select a new file and click on special effects. You can apply some special effect to your picture. For this you need to draw something before on your picture. For example, here we have these options. Okay, here we have numbers of different buildings are there. Okay, one over other. So by this you can use different types of effects. Now, if you wish to apply some special effect on these pictures, you can select it. So blur effect, any effect which you want to apply, so you can apply these effects. Okay, if you apply the multiple effect on one picture, this make it distorted. How to undo? So by clicking on this button, you can undo it. Okay, so it will show you the last drawing. For example, here we have draw. Okay, so now if you want to undo something, then you can click on this button. For example, here we have draw these two things and you want to undo the last drawing. So when you can click on this button, it's undo the last drawing. Next is to print your picture, you can click on printer option. So the printer should be connected to your PC if you want to take the printout. Next option is to create a new picture. This option is to load your existing picture. Next is after doing your drawing, you need to save your picture. So click on save button. It will ask you where you want to save your picture. So now when you click on open, so you can see here you have last drawing picture in this software. Stop is used when you want to close this software. Okay students, so this is all about for the today. So now you have to do the book work on your book and the question answers on your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.